Bonjour and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. and today we're going to take the RERA and we're going to go to Disneyland Paris. Welcome to the Europe Series 2022. I'm Eric B. from Travel Adventures with Eric B. If you're new here, I offer travel advice. I'm a solo traveler and I do vlogs to help you travel better and more efficient. This statue is called the Triumph of the Republic, and it is right outside of the Nation train station that I'm getting on to take this RERA all the way to Disneyland Paris. We're going to the gates of Disney, and we're going to hopefully get tickets. $156.01, 2 parks, all day, 1 day pass, $156. I'd say that's a little more than what I paid last time at the one in Disney World, but Disney World's probably more now with inflation and all, so I don't know. Disneyland Paris is celebrating its 30 years because I see these 30 signs everywhere. So this section here is more like the Magic Kingdom section. I expect to enjoy the second half a lot better because it's more like a Universal Studios type of thing. So I plan on that part probably being the best. So I'm always a save the best for last type person. I didn't get to go this year like I planned on going in January, but I'm so happy I made the last second decision to come here. Inside the castle, got a couple different rooms here that sells like souvenirs. I'll take you in one of them right here. Pretty cool shop, and then the one across the way from itself looks like most of the jewelry over here on this side. Climb up these stairs. I don't know where they lead to. We'll find out. down, view up. Pretty cool. Peter Pan flight, 45-minute wait time. Pretty long line, 45 minutes. Not, looks like that line, I would think it would be longer than that. We all know too, toilets are few and far between. Not like Disney World in the US where they're everywhere. It's hard to find them here at Disneyland Paris. So just remember, there's Adventureland right there. It's basically right next to Adventureland. I've never been to Disneyland in California, and I've only been to Magic Kingdom and Disney World for a short period of time. I've mainly focused on the other parks. So let me know down in the comments section how this park matches up versus Disneyland in California, of course. and the Magic Kingdom as well. Though I have been to the Magic Kingdom, like I said, I haven't spent a lot of time there. And when I've gone there, it's been night. So I haven't even been there during the day. So let me know how this matches up against those. So €14.80. I got Minute Maid orange. Got a dog right here with some bacon and some things on it. Got a €14.80. So the hot dog was pretty good. I'm not quite sure it was worth $11. The hot dog itself, full €14. The hot dog and the orange juice, I guess you'd say, is about a $12 and something USD for that hot dog. It was good. I don't think it was worth $12, but it was good. Good, not great. You know, I came in feeling like I was saving the best for last, but you know what? This is going to be a hard one to top. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more materials coming out in the future. And I hope that you are enjoying this summer of 2022 European series. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace and travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the like, share, subscribe button, leave any comments below. I love to interact and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.